Hey y'all, it's your girl Candace and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you and welcome back. Today, I am stepping outside of my comfort zone. Girl, I always said I wanted to go blind, but I didn't know. I don't know about this blind. This is a bit much, but it's cute. I think it got a girl on me. We are doing a wig review over Celie hair. So that is what this unit is all about. Y'all gonna watch me install this and put this bad boy on and curl it and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in watching, keep your eyes on the screen. We have a 5x5 20-inch blonde wig fresh out the pack. So you guys, this is like a honey blonde color, so I didn't feel the need to tone it because I didn't think that it was going to be as bright. But we're going to go in and use our makeup. We tone the knots a little bit so they're not so obvious. I am not wearing a wig cap for the simple fact this is a closure wig and I feel like they're kind of unnecessary with closures. So I'm just going to put the wig on and then use those clips and things because these wigs are always so big for my head. I forgot to pluck the wig before putting it on, so I'm going to go ahead and do it on my head. I usually don't, but either way works. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of get rid of that dense hairline a little bit. So it's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And there we are. That looks really nice. Shout out to Wig Dealer, you guys. They sent me a wig kit that has all the essentials that you need for a wig install. I'm going to start off using their glue. I really like the applicator that they have for this glue. Made it really simple to put the glue on. Now I got a little heavy-handed and put on a lot, so it's not going to dry clear. But I'm still going to go with my second layer because I'm impatient. And I'm still going to put on too much because that's just what I do. I'm not used to using glue. Y'all know I do the glueless method. So we're going to go ahead and lay that wig right on down in there. I'm not worried about the glue not drying because once I get the lace band and I tie the band on there, if I let it sit long enough, it will dry and you won't be able to tell that the glue was there. Right here, I just really knew that I wanted to be a straight, blonde, black girl. I just knew that I wanted it straight. So here I am straightening my hair. Look at that melt. Do y'all see that melt? Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it. So going in to cut the lace, I just like to split it up in two different sections because it makes it really easy. Look at this razor they sent, y'all. I'm taking this everywhere with me. This razor is nice and sharp and really, you gotta be careful not to cut yourself because it's really that nice. So it's really hard to see the lace on a blonde wig. I was struggling, so some lace was left behind. Y'all act like y'all didn't see that. Now I'm going in with my melting spray. This is really just to help anything that you may have lifted up during the razor process. Gonna tie that back down. And here's where I knew I wanted to curl my hair. I said, you know what? I don't want to be a straight girly anymore. I'm looking at it and I'm like, it's not giving. Maybe if we throw some curls in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my flat iron and we're gonna do flat iron curls because that's what I have. I haven't curled my hair on my head in so long, so y'all gonna have to forgive me and how these curls turn out because it literally has been so long since I've curled anything, honestly. But okay, we're gonna finger curl those out. One side always looks better than the other. Alright, so final thoughts. I love this hair. It curled well. I hadn't curled my hair in so long that I forgot how to curl. So y'all gonna have to forgive it. I don't know what it looked like in the back, but I'm loving this hair. And shout out to Wig Dealer. These products are amazing. Y'all, when I say the wig is on, The wig is on. It's not going nowhere. That was such a great stick. I know that I could be in this wig for about a week before I have to take it off due to that glue. So I will also be linking that down in the description box. Because guess what? I'm naturally blind. Don't ask me nothing. I am naturally blind now, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and link everything down in the description box down below. You guys make sure you check out Celie hair. And I think that's how you say that. I think it's Celie hair. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Look at this. This is day 3 in this wig, and it's still not lifting. That mug is on there. On there. Wow. That's some good glue. It also said that it's waterproof. So I got some water, and we're going to see if it's waterproof. I think it is. Yeah. Yes. Yes, yes. This is definitely waterproof. This wig is not going anywhere. Oh my gosh. This is the glue you need for vacation.